So we have to do exercise 12.2. Beta, yesterday I told you how to write the number in standard form, right? Let us discuss again standard form. Suppose I'll take any number 0.000749, right? So standard form means shifting the decimal after the first non-zero number. Now I'm going to shift the decimal after 7. So standard form is 7.49 into 10 to power 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits I'm shifting? 4. And from which direction? From left to right. When I'm shifting from left to right, the power will be negative. The power will be negative. And suppose you are having number 749800. Here the decimal is at the last. Now I'm going to shift the decimal after 7. So 7.49800 into 10 to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The power will be positive when I'm shifting the decimal from right to left. This you have to learn. Otherwise, your question will get wrong. LR ऐसे learn करो. LRN, RLP. Left से right, negative. तो focus से करना है. Left से right, negative. Right से left, ये right से left, positive. इस तरह से. ठीक है? LRN, RLP. So this you have to learn. There is no other way out. Fine. So this was about the usual, standard form. Next we have the question. Express in usual form. First part, 3.02 into 10 to power minus 6. Now what is this? This is standard form. Decimal after 1, first non-zero number, and then 10 to power something positive, negative, whatever. This is the standard form. Usual form में क्या करना है? हमने decimal हटाना है. जैसे इधर देखो 3.02 means हमने decimal, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि decimal हटाना ही हटा, decimal तो लगेगा, लेकिन usual form में हमने ऐसी form को हटा देना है. जैसे देखो 10 to power minus 6. You have done negative exponents. Can I write like this? 10 raised to power minus 6 था, डिनोमिनेटर में आके वो positive 6 बन गया. डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? 2. मैंने डेसिमल हटाया 10 raised to power 6 और नीचे क्या लगा दिया? 100. नीचे क्या लगा दिया? 100, क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट्स थे, डेसिमल हटाया, नीचे 100 आएगा. ये क्या बन गया? 302 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? I hope you are getting. 6 zeros नेगेटिव थे ऊपर, तो नीचे आगे पॉजिटिव. 6 zeros और साथ में 2 और. So the usual form is, now how many zeros we are having? 8. How many digits in the numerator? 3. So if we are having 8 zeros, it means after the decimal we should have 8 digits. हमारे पास कितने हैं? 3. तो 5 zeros लगाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 0. Now this is the usual form. हमारे पास ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन थे. In question number 1, you got the question like this, in which you have to convert it into standard form. Now standard form is given to us. We have to convert into usual form. I have followed all these steps. You can miss one of the step if you are clear in your mind. कि जैसे सीधा भी आप लिख सकते हो. 2 zeros इसकी, 6 zeros इसकी. सीधा लिख दो 8 zeros. We are to see this answer. We are not concerned with these steps. Is it clear? If any doubt to anyone, please raise your hand. Note down. We will remove this decimal. and we will put 10 in the denominator. 10 raised to power 4 means 4 zeros along with 1. आप सीधा भी काट सकते हो. 10 10 to power 4 4 से एक नीचे एक जीरो है, ऊपर कितने जीरोस है 4, एक कट गई, कितने बचे 3, या फिर क्योंकि 4 है कम नहीं है तो एक्सपैंड कर देंगे. 1 0 get cancelled with 1 0. So usual form is 4 5 along with 3 zeros. C part देखिए, 3 into 10 to power minus 8. Again, negative power in the numerator. When we will bring in the denominator, the power will become positive. It is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the denominator 8 zeros. So it means in the numerator we want 8 digits after the decimal. But we can see only 1. So we will put 7 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So after the decimal, we want 8 digits. We have only 1 digit. So we will put 7 zeros before 3 after decimal. And that is our usual form. So rest all the 3 parts you will do yourself. ठीक है? Now next question number 3. Again, we have to write in standard form. Now what is given? Charge of an electron is this coulomb. What is given to us? 0.369 12 15 18. 3 4 5 6. Coulomb. This is the charge of an electron. We have to write in standard form. So standard form is shifting the decimal after 1. 1.6 into 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 1, 19. Now, positive power or negative? Left से right जा रही है LRN. नेगेटिव पावर आनी हो और पॉजिटिव पावर लिख दोगे तो नो मार्क्स. ठीक है? Now what addition we have to do here? Like in earlier question, no units were written. Simple number given था, तो हमने simple number के form में आंसर दिया. यहाँ पर unit given है, so we have to write the units also. That's it for this question. Similarly, all other questions, जैसे size of bacteria given है. अब size of bacteria किसमें given है? मीटर में. तो साथ में आंसर में आपने क्या लिख देना है? मीटर. I think this is the second part. First part is your homework. Try करना. This is the size of bacteria. So standard form is, अब देखो, standard form is decimal after the first non-zero number. तो आप अकेला 5 लिखोगे, 5 को 5 भी लिख सकते हो, या 5.0 is one and the same thing into 10 to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 to power minus 7 meter. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, 5 into 10 to power minus 7 meter, because 5 means 5.0 only. Next, fourth part, size of plant cell. होमवर्क है वो. फर्स्ट पार्ट होमवर्क, फोर्थ पार्ट होमवर्क खुद कर लेना. Fifth part, thickness of paper is 0.07 millimeters. Now we have to write in standard form. Shifting the decimal after 7. 7.0 or only 7 also you can write into 10 to power minus 2 millimeters. This is the thickness of paper. Any doubt? Yes, Hardik. Now question number 4 is beta. In a stack, there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 millimeters. What is the total thickness of the stack? Stack you understand? A shelf जिसमें books पड़ी हैं, ऐसे combined pile बनी हुई है, ठीक है? उसमें 5 books हैं और 5 paper sheets हैं. So thickness of one book. Thickness of one book is 20 millimeter. So thickness of 5 books. Write down quickly. 5 books की thickness 100 millimeter. Now thickness of one paper sheet is 0.16 millimeter. So thickness of 5 paper sheets, 5 into 0.016. It is equal to 0.080. So total thickness of stack is equal to 5 books plus the thickness of 5 paper. 100 plus 0.080 millimeter. It is 100.080. Further, we have to convert it into standard form. So the standard form is shifting 1.000. अगर यदि 2 नॉन जीरो नंबर्स के बीच में जीरोस हैं तो उनको एज इट इज लिखना पड़ेगा. You cannot skip it. So now डेसिमल किधर था? राइट साइड. हम किधर शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं? लेफ्ट साइड. कितने डिजिट शिफ्ट किया? 1 2. RLP. So the standard form is 1.00080. 10 to power 2. Why 2? Because we have shifted the decimal only 2 digits. Yes, Dharya. Any doubt? We will discuss about the 2D figures. Now we are going to start the next chapter. Visualizing solid shapes. In this chapter, first of all, beta, we will talk about the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. This we have discussed in our 7th class also. 2D figures. Write down. You can write down also. 2D figures. Figures which has 2 dimensions. For example, triangle, circle, square, rectangle. All these are the examples of 2D figures, right? Then we have 3D figures. Figures which have 3 dimensions. Which are the 3 dimensions? Length, breadth, and height. For example, cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, and so many prisms, pyramids. ठीक है, all these are 3D figures. So this is the definition. But in general, if anybody asks what is the difference between 2D figure and 3D figure, ठीक है, तो बेटा कैसे बताएंगे? Can anyone tell me कि ट्राइंगल 2D क्यों है और जो कोन है वो 3D क्यों है? What is the difference? Okay, you will say that obviously it is 2-dimensional, it is 3-dimensional, but मुझे नहीं समझ आया, मुझे 2-dimensional और 3-dimensional के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं समझ आया, तो कैसे समझाएंगे? Yes, Bani?
Ma'am, 3D figures need space to keep.
Need space. 2D figure doesn't need space. ट्राइंगल रखना है, मैंने एक पेपर को ट्राइंगुलर शेप में काटा और मैंने उसको रखा, तो उसको स्पेस नहीं चाहिए कि हवा में रहेगा? चाहिए। और कुछ सोचो, ये प्रबल बताता है। हाँ जी प्रबल।
मैम 3D figures also have height. So they
मुझे
occupy
नहीं
more
समझ
space.
आया ना, मैंने बोला मैम ये ट्राइंगल है, ये ट्राइंगल की भी तो हाइट है, मुझे तो नहीं समझ आया।
मैम दे हैव वर्टिसेस।
अब नहीं
मैम दे हैव वर्टिसेस।
नो 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 बेटा, डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ until I take your name. Yes, Abhi.
Ma'am, 2D figures have only one face, but 3D figures have more than one faces.
More than one faces. Yes, we can say any other, but still I don't understand. मुझे तो faces से भी नहीं समझ आया. If you have to explain to the small children. Yes, Shriya.
Ma'am, the ones that we can touch which have thickness.
Which have thickness. But मुझे तो फिर भी समझ नहीं आया. Thickness क्या होती है? और कोई?
Ma'am, 2D figures do not have volume.
Yes, 2D figures, but what is volume?
The
Volume क्या
amount
होता है?
of liquid, the amount of liquid that a container can hold.
Only liquid?
Ma'am 3D shape. Ma'am 3D shape. Ma'am 3D shape is a solid shape and 2D shape is a flat shape is flat.
ये भी ठीक है. So okay, so many of you have given correct answer. ठीक है, आंसर आपके सबके करेक्ट हैं, but more clearly if we want to explain the 2D figures and 3D figure, जैसे मान लो एक डिफरेंस तो हम ये बता सकते हैं that 2D figures, 3D figures are the figures which have the capacity. जैसे किसी बच्चे ने वॉल्यूम की बात की, वॉल्यूम की बात की means I am having this bottle. In this bottle, I can put the water. It means this bottle is a 3D figure. ये कैसा है? अगर इसको हटा दूं, ये क्यूबॉइडल फॉर्म में है, ठीक है? तो this is it because it can have water inside it. जिस भी container, the container in which we can put something, either liquid, either solid, that is a 3D figure. So the figures which have the capacity to contain something, that are known as 3D figures. Like if I take any plain page, I take this plain page, right? This is of what shape? Rectangular. Rectangle है ये, और ये जो rectangle है, rectangle कैसा होता है? 2D, 2-dimensional. ठीक है, इसको अगर मैं इस बोर्ड पे प्लेस करती हूँ तो ये पेस्ट हो जाएगा और इसका कोई पोर्शन बाहर नहीं आएगा. तो एक ये भी एग्जांपल है. 2D figures, when we put paste on the wall, on the board, they will be completely pasted and its portion will not come out. But suppose if I paste this bottle, मैं इसको, तो इसका ये जो पोर्शन है ये बाहर को आएगा. इसका मतलब ये कैसा है? 3D figure. So जैसे मैं आपको इस रेक्टेंगल की बात कर रही थी, ये 2D है because it does not contain anything. अगर मैं इसके ऊपर कुछ रखती हूँ तो ये गिर जाएगा, अगर मैं इसको रोटेट करती हूँ तो ये गिर जाएंगे. So when something will not fall, then I will change its shape. मैं इसको कोई शेप दूंगी, चाहे सर्कुलर दूं, सेमी सर्कुलर, ये ऐसे हेमिस्फीयर मतलब हाफ सर्कल दूं, चाहे मैं इसको फोल्ड करके एक बॉक्स बनाऊं, है ना? तो मतलब जब हम इस पेज से कुछ शेप बनाएंगे, शेप बनाया मैंने, ठीक है, मैंने इसकी इस तरह से, ठीक है, मैंने इस तरह से इसकी शेप बनाई, फोल्ड करके इसकी शेप बनाई, उसमें कुछ डाला मैंने तो वो होल्ड कर गया, नहीं गिरा. सो इट मीन्स 3D figures are the figures which have the volume, which have the capacity, and 2D figures are those figures which cannot hold anything. ये बात समझ में आ गई सबको? Yes, Shreya, you want to say something? You have done. Now you have done in your earlier classes, 6th class, 7th class, the faces, edges, vertices. So first of all, we will discuss the faces, edges, and vertices of the figures. Those figures which we have already done in our previous class, we will recall it faces. जब भी आपने ये faces, edges, vertices लर्न करने हैं ना किसी भी फिगर के, तो इसी सीक्वेंस में लर्न किया करो. FEV, faces, edges, and vertices. So first of all, we have cube. Cube, you know. Write down cube. 3D figures के बारे में बात करेंगे. पहले आप लिखो cube. A cube is a 3D figure which has same length, breadth, and height. Means अगर उसकी लेंथ 4 है, breadth भी 4 होगी, height भी 4 होगी, that will make a cube. And FEV, how many faces? 6 faces. Edges means these line segment. 12 line segments, that is edges. Vertices means these corners. 8 vertices. So we are having 8 vertices. I hope it is clear. Next, we will discuss about cuboid. So, a cuboid is a 3D figure which has different length, breadth. No need to draw the figure. सिर्फ ये लिख लो. अब क्यूबॉइड क्या होता है? क्यूबॉइड में बेटा जो LBH होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होते हैं. LBH, इनमें से दो चीजें सेम भी हो सकती है, जैसे ये 4, लेकिन हाइट डिफरेंट. ये 4, ब्रेथ डिफरेंट. ऐसा नहीं है कि तीनों चीजें, ऐसा नहीं है कि तीनों ही चीजें डिफरेंट होंगी. दो चीजें सेम भी हो सकती हैं, but all the three things, all the 3 dimensions cannot be same. So, but the FEV of a cuboid are same. It has 6 faces. Faces, you know, this is a cuboid. First face, उसके साथ opposite वाला second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 6 faces. Lines and edges means these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges and then 8 vertices. Right? So that's all for today, beta. Now, tomorrow again, we will discuss this chapter. On Monday, sorry, we will discuss this chapter.
होमवर्क क्या है?
होमवर्क बेटा आपने जो यूजुअल फॉर्म वाला क्वेश्चन करवाया ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, उसके 2 पार्ट्स कर लो, फर्स्ट और सेकंड. नहीं, उसके लास्ट 3 पार्ट्स मैंने आपको होमवर्क दिए ना. 3 पार्ट्स आई हैव डिस्कस्ड एंड 3 पार्ट्स आई गेव यू होमवर्क. वो और एक वो जो लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है स्टैक वाला, वो कर लो. एंड देन द डेफिनेशंस, दिस, ठीक है, वो कर लो.
मैम क्वाड्रेटिक में रिपीट